Every pool owner has a unique vision of what makes for the best pool day. Ah, the lounger. You earned this. This is your time. You're feeling at home in your favorite sunglasses, pool floaty, and your playlist on repeat. The pool is where you unwind and simmer down. The host, come on over. Me pool, Sue pool. The grill's on, drinks are on ice, and your pool is the place to be for the next social splash. The Techie. You like to impress with the latest smart technology. Timing is everything. When your guests walk in, your backyard oasis comes alive. It's truly next level. The Family Fun-Goer. Bring the whole crew, even the dog. You got a pile of towels in the corner and popsicles in the freezer. Everyone is family, and the more, the merrier. So what's your pool persona? Maybe it's all of the above. But whatever your pool persona is, Pentair is ready to help you get the most out of your perfect pool day. Want to learn more? Go to pentair.com/pooleducation.